House passed bill to release Epstein files. This is very big news for Epstein, mostly for Donald Trump. The United States Congress has taken one of the most unusual and bipartisan action in years, as the House of Representatives votes by the overwhelming to pass the Epstein Files Transparency Act, a measure designed to force the Department of Justice to publicly release all non-classified records related to the late financier and convict sex trafficker Jeffrey Epstein. The vote representative or even movement where both major political parties found near total agreement. Yes, reflecting not only the public instance interest in uncovering long hidden detail but also Epstein network, the desire among landmaker to increase transparency around the one of the most widely scrutinized criminal case the past decade. The bill instruct the Doge to publish email documents and investigate records and communication connections between Jeffrey Epstein and the other people. Epstein and his executive is a full searchable, publicly accessible online database while allowing limited reduction to protect the identity of victim or material who could interface with ongoing investigations. Following the House vote, the Senate advised the bill by unanimous consist Bill, another exceptionally rare occurrence signaling that Congress dispute deep on many issues, is alleged on exposing what investigator procedures and intelligence officials collected throughout years of inquiries into Epstein criminal activities. The legislation now awaits the president's signature, and President Mr. Trump is also the part of dark Epstein file. So this sign law, the Doge would have 30 days to begin releasing the documents, an aggressive timeline that reflects frustration among the lawmaker and public over the lack of transparency that persisted after Epstein's 2019 death in federal custody. The move has generated both anticipation and question. Supporters believe the document will shed light on how Epstein operated, who enabled him, and why his prior investigation failed to halt his crime. And while others warn that expectations should remain realistic, since some highly sensitive information, especially identifying victim, will almost certainly be reduced. Still, the overwhelming reception push up and how Epstein case continue to symbolize deeper question about power, accountability and the justice system, and the release of these files mark the wood significant public disclose related to the case since Epstein arrest. As the process unfold, the media aspect, political fallout, node scrutiny, legal challenges over significant reduction and database. So, what you think about this fucking relation between president and other mafias between Jeffrey Epstein? Do subscribe for more videos and news. I like it. Do subscribe for more. This is one of the most best channel for you for information and latest update. Do subscribe for more videos. I know this video is short, but I am trying to give my best. I hope soon you will support my videos, like, comment.